Hello friends, let us discuss about construction of electrochemical cell
and calculation of
EMF of that cell. Let us consider with a problem. E0 Zn plus 2
stroke Zn
equal to minus 0.76 volt. E0 Cu plus 2 stroke Cu equal to 0.35 volt. With the help of this data, with the help of this data, construct a cell and calculate E0 cell, that is EMF of the cell at standard condition. Now to do this, we must know that at anode oxidation reaction take place and at cathode reduction reaction take place. We know that EMF of the cell E cell is equal to E cathode plus E anode. Here in cathode reduction reaction take place, so E cell equal to E cathode, and in cathode reduction reaction take place, so reduction potential of cathode plus
oxidation potential of
anode, because in anode oxidation reaction take place and in cathode reduction reaction take place. Now when the concentration of the ion is 1 molar, the EMF is represented by E0 cell, that is standard EMF of the cell, and in this condition we write E0 cathode reduction plus E0 anode oxidation. Now mind it, in modern IUPAC system all the potential values are given in the form of reduction potential, but in anode actually oxidation takes place. But if we want to write it in reduction form, we know that E ox is always equal to minus E red. That means oxidation potential is equal to minus reduction potential. So in case of E0 cell, we write E0 cathode reduction minus E0
anode
reduction. This is very important. Why we write minus in place of plus? Because the oxidation potential is replaced by reduction potential. Because in modern IUPAC system all the values are given in form of reduction. So we write E0 cell equal to E0 cathode reduction minus E0 anode reduction. Actually plus E0 oxidation means minus E0 reduction. So there is no harm to write this equation in that form, that is E0 cathode minus E0 anode. Mind it, at cathode all the values are written in form of
reduction
potential. Now from the value given in the problem, we determine which is acting as cathode and which is acting as anode. Now the value of reduction potential of Zn plus 2 Zn system is minus 0.76 and E0 Cu plus 2 Cu system is 0.35 volt. Now this is positive value. If we use this equation, E0 cell must be positive, otherwise there is no existence of the cell, because when current is supplied by the cell, the EMF must be positive. So we use these half cell as cathode where the potential value, reduction potential value is higher. So in this case, copper plus 2 copper system act as cathode and Zn plus 2 Zn system act as anode. And the construction of the cell is like that. Anode is written in left hand side, so Zn stroke Zn plus 2. This is anode compartment, and a double stroke indicate anode is completed. Cu plus 2 stroke Cu. This is called cathode and this is called anode. In anode, oxidation reaction takes place, that is zinc is converted to Zn plus 2, and in cathode, reduction reaction takes place, that is Cu plus 2 is converted to Cu. So, standard EMF
of the cell, that is
E0 cell. Actually, this is called construction of cell. Construction of cell. E0 cell equal to E0 cathode, that is E0 Cu plus 2 stroke Cu minus E0 Zn plus 2 stroke Zn, and the value is E0 Cu plus 2 stroke Cu is 0.35 volt, and it is E0 Zn plus 2 stroke Zn is minus 0.76 volt. So the value is 1.11 volt. If we reverse this electrode, that is Cu stroke Cu act as anode and Zn plus 2 stroke Zn
act as cathode, this value is negative, so this is not possible.
So the EMF of the cell is 1.11 volt. It is positive. Mind it, when EMF is positive, delta G0, that is standard Gibbs free energy change, is delta 0 equal to minus NF E0. N is 2, F is 96500, and E0 is 1.11 volt. So the value is negative.
This negative value indicate
the reaction is spontaneous. If E0 is negative, delta G0 is positive and the reaction is non-spontaneous. This is very important equation and it is called Gibbs equation. Gibbs equation is that the standard free energy change, that is delta G0 equal to minus N. N is number of electrons transferred in cathode and anode. Here it is 2 because zinc remove 2 electrons to form Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 take 2 electrons to form Cu, and F is 96500, E0 is 1.5, and this value is negative. Negative value indicate the reaction is spontaneous and the cell is possible. So to construct the cell, first we find how we can get the positive value of EMF. In this way you can get free energy change negative. So this is the way to construct a cell. Always we place cathode where reduction potential is high and anode where reduction
potential is low.
That's all about construction of cell and calculation of EMF
of the cell.
Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.